Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing some catch up. We are doing from the 12th to the 18th of May 2025. I wasn't going to speed this up, but I decided that I will. I don't know how it's going to go because it just at the moment doesn't seem like it's cooperating, but we're just going to get through it. I'm going to talk about the day as I see it. So sorry about that, guys. So we are using the autumn leaves kit, and I think I'm using autumn leaves or leaves foiled underlays. So on Monday I had a coffee. Usually put coffees on a Monday. Generally I think there was a couple where I didn't. I then did some emails. That's probably regarding destash stuff. I do need to destash a ton more stickers and things like that, so I'll get through that later. And then I had an everything shower. I usually mark it with a bath because I have a ton of bath stickers. I don't know if I'll just destash them because I could print more if I really had to, but whatnot, I'll just keep a few and destash the rest. I then decided to watch a TV show called All Her Fault. That one is really interesting. It caught me by surprise, to be honest. I love TV shows and movies like that. For dinner was lasagna, and then I uploaded a YouTube video. Sometimes I will upload them. Oh my goodness. I will upload them and oh, okay. Alright, I think this is the one where I stopped up. I just realised, I think this is the one where I stopped up and I just could not be bothered pulling in new stickers. That's what happened. So we started colour blocking and we haven't colour blocked. So anyway, okay, onto Tuesday I pulled stickers. I do like pulling stickers sometimes. Sometimes I do a couple of weeks and then sometimes I'll just be like, meh. I edited a video and I filmed, or it could have been the other way around. For dinner, it was Marry Me Chicken. I absolutely love that. I love making Marry Me Chicken. And then I cuddled my cats and cleaned the kitchen. On Wednesday, I decided to do a destash. I generally just do them, just put them up whenever. Oh, I'm missing a sticker. Okay, and then I was watching All Her Fault. I decided to melt some wax. Actually, I'm really excited because, yes, I did put that as a candle sticker, but I did buy some candles the other day so I can start burning a couple of candles and use them. And then I did a plan with me, like a big catch up, but I don't know what happened with the PWM, so as you guys saw. And then I played games on my phone. On Thursday, I had a sleep in. I did some washing and then I read some books. Not sure what books I actually read. Anyway, I decided to have a print sesh and watch Saw 4. Don't mind my chair, guys, it's always squeaking. Try and tell myself not to move, but at the moment I am moving. On Friday I had a sleep-in, and then the walk and the post office kind of go together, but I had to go to the post office, so I decided to walk down there. It wasn't that far. And then I washed some towels, and then as of late I have really been enjoying watching like crime shows. Oh, actually that's what we're up to. Crime shows on YouTube. So that's what I usually do, is I'll watch like a crime show or like a police interrogation. I think that's what I bought INT for, like interrogation. On Saturday I had a bit of a sleep in. And then I filmed and took some photos of things. Generally when I film I will take a photo either of the spread as it is, because that's what I'm going to have to do from now on, because I did go through and do a ton of like laying down the bases. And then I got an order in the afternoon, yippee yay. Then I did a bit of a food shop and I finished the rest of the night watching All Her Fault. Again, one of my favorites. On Sunday, I did some emails regarding the D-stash. I uploaded a video. I don't know if I uploaded and scheduled or like left it there or actually published a video. Maybe I should like do a little bit of a different thing between those. I don't know. And then I cuddled my cats. Okay, we're not even up to that yet, but I did eventually cuddle my cats. I kind of really want to get to this print section. I think maybe that was why I had a random printer just chilling. And what is that? Oh, I've got stickers in the back here. I'm not really sure why. I think I was going to get rid of them. Anyway, I'll see how they go. Okay, so I do have a sticker there, but right now in my printer, I actually don't know. In my planner, I don't know where it went. Anyway, I then played some games and then had an early night. And I think I'm going to share with you what is remaining in the spread. Yeah, but I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, I'm back again. Actually haven't left. I wasn't really sure what I should do with these leftovers. If I should just get rid of them or sell them as a D-stash or put them in the group. If you guys want to see perhaps what leftovers will be up for grabs, then please go and join the group and have a good day. Bye.